Whoop. You know, more packages. You know how we do. Let's get to it. So this is a shifter mod to make the Thrustmaster right there pop a little more sturdier for the sim setup that we've been working on over here. So we're gonna put this bad boy together so then we could try it out on different cars. Jesus, they crashed my guy all up. It looks crazy. Ooh. I was looking at it from another angle. Is a curve monitor. Pop. Looks amazing. I'll put the link to that in the description also. This is not a sponsored video. All products are bought by me. Facts. With that being said, let's get to this bad boy though. Pop. And let's see how we mod it. And if it changes anything within the shifter and the feeling. I don't know. Have you tried it? We got the budget-friendly one from AliExpress. We got them both, but we're going to try the AliExpress first. We got the expensive one and the least expensive one. Let's see how this works out. Now let's see what's in this box. So that's what's in the box. Is the plate, which, you know, is the plastic or hard plastic plate. There's for the 1, 2, 3, right? And it's to make it a short shift. So you don't, the shift is not that long. You get it? Like a longer shift. It should be right there, like bing, 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 right? But they said they recommend you get the 95 millimeter. This one is super short, so I'm probably not gonna use it. It's super little, and it's not like a chrome. It's like a dingy metal. Right? Which is cool, I guess, but it's not going to be shining like that. If you're looking for shine, it's not on that at all. I guess that's why it costs less. If they was to shine it and make it chrome, that's where the price will go up because they have to pay more money. And this is the mod, right? To make it sturdier. It has nothing on it, nothing in the bottom. You know, most of them, the newer ones, they got like 2 magnets there, some metal. So when you put it through and it goes clang, clang, you can actually hear it and all that. I guess this is not for the sound. This is for the feel. You get it? You're not going to hear a click, click, because there's nothing to click, click with. You get it? Hopefully you understand. But it feels sturdy. It's not rubber. It's a hard plastic. Like, I don't know if they 3D prints. But if it is, it's a solid one for now. But don't forget, the shifting that can actually break this in pieces like it did to the other mods I got for the Logitech shifter. And this is the stopper that you put in between the stick to stop this from moving. Whatever, let's get it on. Let's see if this works. AliExpress. So you just put it down over the shaft and you push in right here. And it's going to go down. And you're going to see it in there. You're going to see like the metal on the side. And there's a line on this. On the other side, there's a line that you could tell that that's for that piece to go in there. I mean, that's the way it fell in to me. It was kind of a pain to take out this strap that's there that everyone shows that holds the cable. So you got to be careful that you don't actually cut this cable from the Thrustmaster shifter. You get it? I don't know, whatever that is up there, things for some sensors or whatever. We're not trying to touch it. So now we're going to put the... It feels a little sturdier already. Does it go down anymore? No, I think that's about it. I didn't put no grease on it or anything. I just left it like that, hoping it's tight enough. I don't want it slipping around. So now we're going to add the little lock, and I'm going to put it facing that way towards the reverse. So it has a more space. That's the spot where it's like, there's like a deep hole in there, if you could tell. There's a lot of space in there. So if you put it facing that away, it's going to be like blocking it. So you don't want to do that. We're going to face the point out that way. Screw it in. Bob. And this is just so that the mod don't loosen and start coming up. So Let's get it on there. So the little lock, I had a little I went like this because it was tight to get it in. So it screwed like right up to here. Then I tried to push it. It was super tight there because I didn't want to like loosen the screws like completely, where I gotta put them somewhere. So it's like to the very tip where it open, where you get it, where still the bolt is on the other side attached. And then I took whatever little clipper I had that I tried to clip that cable situation with, and I banged it down. Ping, 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 ping. And then it just went boom. You get it? So you just gotta bang it like a little bit down. If it's too tight on yours, I don't know. After that, it's smooth. It's going down. And that's just because I kept the screws on there. I don't know if you want to take them all apart. That's on you. I'm just showing you what I did. So, but I probably won't put it... Well, then again, I probably won't put it like super on it. Even though I can, I could leave it right there and give it like a little space. It's just so like it doesn't come up. I don't know. And I'll probably wind up having to change this one. I don't know yet. I wanted like a more clicky one. I just got this one for now to see if it works. But I'll tell you how it feels. Because I also don't want like too much clunk clunk. But let's see if there's any difference and how long it lasts. If there's a difference. So after it's in there, it's going to be hard to screw it, to tighten it. If this is towards you. You get it? Pop, it's not going to be no room for you to be spinning whatever you're using to tighten it. The Allen key. You get, they give you the little Allen key, but I got some of my own also. I don't know if this one is theirs or mine's. I think this one was mine's. But they give you a good sturdy one too. I think it's silver. I'm not sure, but whatever. You gotta have room. If it's over here, pop, it's not gonna let you do anything. You get it? It's too short. Unless you want to be there all day using this end. Now I tried it all. It's pretty tight. I ain't gonna lie. It's sturdy. For the price, I just don't know how long it's gonna last. Hopefully it lasts, but this is the thing. It came with this plate, so it could be shorter and it has shorter play. It's good with this plate. With this plate, it feels even more sturdy because it's short. Pop, pop, the switch. But you can't put this one on top of this one because the screws ain't long enough. So if you get longer screws, then you could put that, then put that plate. If you just want to have this plate, that's up to you. I'm not feeling that. But you get it? Like, I wanted the silver plate on it. I don't know, even this black, it always looked like weird to me from this Thrustmaster. But I'll leave it like that for now until I figure out something with the screws, because maybe this is it feels better, it's shorter. You know what I mean? But other than that, the AliExpress thing is working right now. I ain't gonna lie, it works. It's sturdy for now. It don't have that click, click. If that's what you're looking for, click. This don't have no click. So it just feels sturdy. Maybe it has a little click. But it's definitely not from the device that we just got.